SAP HR structures form the foundation of the entire HR system. Every HR activity, whether it's hiring an employee, running payroll, managing positions, doing time evaluation, or reporting, all depends on how well your structures are defined. But this does not have to be complicated. In this video, I'm going to explain 3 core structures in SAP Human Capital Management under 7 minutes. SAP HR is built on 3 core structures, and each one plays a different role: enterprise structure, personal structure, and organizational structure. These are the foundation of how employee data is stored, how payroll runs, and how employees fit into the company. Let's jump right in. The first core structure is enterprise structure. This is the identity for company and location. It includes 3 key elements. Company code. Company code represents the legal company registered for financial reporting. These are created by SAP Finance. An example can be C001 for Canada, U001 for US branches. The second key element is personal area, a major subdivision of the company, usually based on geography, location, or large operations. Few examples are Vancouver, Toronto, and manufacturing plant. The third key component is personal subarea. This is the further classification of personal area. Vancouver full-time, Vancouver part-time are a few examples. Together, these elements help SAP understand which employee belongs to which company and location. The second core HR structure is personal structure. The personal structure explains how the employee information entered into organization. It includes 3 key elements. Employee group. This is the broad classification of employees based on similar characteristics. Examples are managers and supervisors. Employee subgroup. This is the deeper classification used for payroll and benefits. Senior manager and junior managers are a few examples. Payroll area. Employees who are paid on the same cycle and with similar characteristics are grouped into payroll area. Few examples: PA01 monthly employees, PA02 biweekly employees, and S01 night shift payroll. These classifications make payroll processing consistent across the company. The third core SAP SCM structure is organizational structure. This structure explains how the employees are related to the organization, how the business is arranged, who reports to whom, and how work flows across departments. It includes multiple key elements. The first key element is organizational unit. This describes various business units exist in the company. These are typically classified based on geographical area, business area, project team, or location. Few examples are HR departments, payroll team, IT support, corporate office. The second key element is job. Assign general tasks to job. An example is manager. Assign specific tasks to position. Payroll manager or HR manager are a couple of examples. The employee occupying the position is called person. And this is an important key element as well. The next key element is task. Specific duties assigned to job or position is called task. Running payroll, approved timesheet, leading the team, entering employee data are a few examples. Cost center is a core object for tracking expenses, linking HR activities to financial control. SAP Finance creates cost center. This structure ensures that employees are linked to the right department, budget, manager, and reporting line. Let's look into how everything connects. All three structures work together. Here is the flow. The company creates organizational units based on business needs. And based on the budget, they create positions and link them to cost center. When hiring, SAP places the employee into right position, employee group, and personal area. Payroll and finance use this data to run calculations accurately. So before hiring anyone, companies must have a predefined position with an approved budget. And that's a quick 5-minute overview of the enterprise structure, personal structure, and organization structures in SAP SCM. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want deep dive video on personal administration, payroll, time management, and organizational management. Thanks for watching.